Hello and welcome to this module where we will be reviewing how to detect rendering problems at scale using a Python script. For this Python script to work, and by the way, this script will be available to you in the resources section of this course, the script would need a text-only CSV file as an input and a JavaScript render version CSV file as an input. Both CSV files can be obtained by crawling the same website in text-only mode or in JavaScript render version mode. So to conduct these two crawl types, you would need to use Screaming Frog, and Screaming Frog also has a free version. So you go to Screaming Frog once it's installed on your system. You input the URL of the website you want to crawl, and then you click on configuration, click on spider, click on rendering, and you choose text only. You click OK, and you then conduct the crawl. When the crawl is completed, you would have a crawl of the website in text only mode. Save that crawl. Then you use Screaming Frog again to conduct a crawl of the same website, but this time around you do it in JavaScript rendering mode. Click OK and commence the crawl. When the crawl is completed, you save that crawl file. Your crawl files will look like this in Screaming Frog. And while there are many tabs, the only tab that is of relevance to this script is a tab that contains information about the internal site structure. And that tab in Screaming Frog is called internal. You click on internal, click on export, you give it a name, any name of your own choosing. You ensure that it's exported as a CSV file. That is easiest. If you decide to export it as an Excel file, you have to conduct Excel to CSV conversion because the only file type recognized in the script I have given you is CSV. So when you export as CSV, you will then have your text-only CSV export and your JavaScript rendering CSV exports. That's what I did, and as you can see here, I have both exports already uploaded. To conduct the upload, you just click on this upload icon and you will have access to your files in Windows or Apple. So you also need to ensure that the name given to the files that you upload here is the same as the name with which both files are being referenced in the code. And after that, the script is going to digest both CSV files and conduct a comparison check to check for word count differences between the text only and the JavaScript rendering mode, outlink differences, inlink differences, and so on and so forth. And then here you can decide on the name that your export table should take. The export table is going to show you side by side the differences between the website's raw HTML or text only crawl versus the website's rendered HTML or JavaScript render crawl. And if the differences are significant or acute, then you can know that the rendering problems on that website are severe. Now that we have everything that we need, I'm going to run the script. You click on runtime, click on run all. And once the script has finished execution, you click on this refresh button to ensure that your table appears here. So this is the text versus JS rendering differences table. To download this table, you click on these three dots, click on download, and it will be downloaded for you. And I want to see how both versions compare, so I'm going to import that download into Google Sheets. Upload. Let's wait for all the download file to be available, and it's almost available. Insert new sheet, and now we have a sheet containing the comparison of the website in text only and JavaScript rendering mode. So what you can see word count X, you can see here word count Y. X and Y are references to text only and JavaScript only. The word count X is the word count from the text only version. The word count Y is the word count from the JavaScript rendering version. And you can see that for the home page, we have 624 words in this version, but we have 642 words in this version. So this indicates that there are some rendering problems on this website, but not very acute. We can check for outlinks to see if there are differences. No, there are no differences between the outlinks for the home page, but there could be differences across other columns, right? For example, here we see that there is a column that allows us to see the differences as it relates to word counts, differences as it relates to outlinks, and differences as it relates to both inlinks and unique outlinks. So this differences column shows us the specific pages on the websites that are plagued by rendering problems. And that's it. You have a script you can use right now to find rendering problems on any website in a scalable way.